Welcome to Inspirational Images and Powerful Poetry. My name is Norma Ochoa, Urban-Palomarez, and I will be your facilitator for this course. This is Lesson 1. In this e-learning module, we will learn, discuss, and practice how to use original digital photos as inspiration, along with the standardized rules for writing various poetry forms to create a publishable poetry piece in each area. The 6 standard entry-level poetry forms that we will be addressing in this course are quatrains, cinquains, haiku tanka, rhyming couplets, biopoems, and odes. Quatrains are poems written in 4-line stanzas of any type, rhyme, or meter. They are found as building blocks for different types of poetry from all around the world, including the English ballad and the Persian rubai. Cinquains are 5-line poems consisting of 5 usually unrhymed lines containing 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 syllables. Cinquains are a good poetry form for beginners because there is no need for rhyme. Brevity of words gives way to enormity of thought in this poetry form. Haiku tanka are ancient Japanese poetry forms with no rhyme, but they do have a set number of lines and syllables. Haiku and tanka poems often deal with nature. Haiku are beautifully compact poems of 3 lines and 17 syllables. Tankas are older than haiku, and there is an English version of the tanka called a loon. Tankas have 5 lines and 31 syllables. Rhyming couplets are sets of lines back-to-back that rhyme. Usually they have the same meter so that they appear as a coherent whole. Rhyming couplets are a standard in English poetry. They've been incorporated by famous poets like Chaucer, Shakespeare, and Edna St. Vincent Millay. Biopoems are structured collections of details about a person's life, personality traits, and ambitions. Biopoems are written about ourselves, people we know, about famous people in history, or about the characters in a book, short story, or novel. And odes. Odes are rhymed poems of regular meter that praise its subject and have a set number of lines and a preset rhyme scheme. Famous odes have been written to people, insects, pottery, and the moon. This week, we will be creating a digital document where we will keep notes, photos, the rules for writing each poetry form, and of course examples of our own work as we progress through the various types of poetry in this course. You will add a cover page with your project's name, your own name, and a photo. You will add a table of contents and a photo selection section that includes at least 25 photos for which you own the publishing rights in order to get you started in this course. Step-by-step instructions and a Google Slides template can be found in Lesson 1. Next week, we will begin working with our first 2 poetry forms, quatrains and cinquains, and we will review the 6 traits of good writing. So, let's get started. Have a great week.